Hi, it's Alesha Brown, CEO of Fruition Publishing, and I am so excited to invite you to my new IBPA workshop from indie to enterprise. Build your 12-month publishing operating plan that actually drives profit, which, of course, we all want that, right? But I want to warn you, this is not some passive workshop where you leave with this long list of ideas and tasks to figure out later. Actually, it's a small group implementation workshop. It's designed to help aspiring, emerging, and small independent publishers stop operating reactively and start building with more structure, strategy, and intention. Now, each week, you'll complete laser focused homework for your own publishing business. And then during our live sessions, we'll use that work for discussion, examples, feedback, and guided application. We'll look at what kind of publishing business you're actually building, where your revenue is coming from or should, where money, time, and energy may be leaking, what systems or support may be missing, and how to turn your ideas into quarterly priorities and a practical 12-month operating plan. My goal is for you to leave with more than inspiration. I want you to leave with clarity, direction, and a 90-day roadmap you can actually begin using. We'll start meeting on July 24th, Friday, and the link that you're viewing this at will give you the exact dates and times. But this workshop is being hosted by IBPA and it's intentionally limited to a small group so the sessions will remain interactive and useful. So if you're tired of collecting publishing advice and you're ready to build a stronger plan for your publishing business, I would love to see you inside from indie to enterprise. See you soon.